Chicken fight.
Maybe. Okay. Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. Today, my grandson, Carson, came to visit. He's having fun feeding the chickens. And he likes to talk a lot.
You like to talk a lot?
Yeah, you do.
But they're scared.
Yeah, they're scared.
Because sometimes chickens are scared.
Sometimes. Oh, you
You
touch.
can pick up one if you want.
I wouldn't pick him up.
I would.
You're not cooperating.
There's lots of piles. Right?
Yeah, they got to see it though. There it goes. There's a chicken. Watch them. Don't move too fast. Don't move. See, they like it.
They like it. Can grab a duck.
I don't think you can.
I can catch one if they're fast. One, two,
All right. He's stirring them all up. Okay, better leave him alone. Just let him eat. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
No. He likes French fries. Give him French fries. Like
You
your
get
meal.
these guys.
Let it out. Oh. Chick, chick. I'll get you some more. What's going on?
Puppy!
It's because they don't like you. You have to get away. Okay?
Silly gooses! Everybody needs a pet chicken. And then let the poor things go.
Picture me.
Picture you.
Should I put this? There's a swimming pool. Which one's their pool?
The big one.
What?
The big one.
Oh. Ah! Ah! Yes!
Probably scared to death now.
Yep. Hey, let's stop chasing.
Well, it's been a great day. Even though the wind's been blowing, it's still been good. I spent time with my youngest grandson most of the day. Then his brother came over, and they both got to play with the chickens and the ducks. They enjoyed the pigs and the little chickens, the chicks up at the house. Anyway, I hope your day has been as good as mine. You have a good evening. Thanks for watching.